In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Soniva AI Music Generator. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need firstly to do is go over to a Player App Store and search for Soniva AI Music Generator. This is it here. So you want to go ahead and download and install this, and then from there go ahead and click on open up for the first time. So now for the first time it's going to say welcome to Soniva Music. So you can create custom songs with Soniva AI Music Maker. Just tell us the theme of your song and we'll handle the rest. So go ahead and choose the theme. I might go ahead and click onto Unbreakable and try now. Now on this page here we need to put in a song description. So describe your song, for example a chill song about road trips with friends. Choose a genre, your mood, advanced options, and then click on create. So for example, a dreamy pop song about chasing stars at midnight, female vocal, soft synths and light drums. So I want this to be a R&B, want this to be a chill. Also got advanced options, so you can have a look at them. So you can make this instrumental. I want this to be a female voice, recording studio, live, and then click on create. Now this is going to go ahead and create your song, and takes roughly 3 to 5 minutes depending the length of your song as well and what song descriptions you've put in here. Okay, so once your song is ready, you're going to be able to view it now. So if you click on view now, you can listen to your song. So from here you can play your song. I'm going to give you 2 songs. Now you can click into it and you've got the option here to share and download. You can make it public if you like, and they've also got the lyrics here that you can copy.